problem right here asks us to identify and name functional groups in this molecule. And this is a common exam problem that you will see. So let's get to it. It's straightforward. There's 3 I see right here. We're just going to go top down, left to right. So this first one, let me get my pen. And I see is this right here. I see one right here, one right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to redraw this as well in a notation that might be a little easier for you to see. So we're going to, of course, draw our ring. Nice 6-membered ring, nice cyclohexane. This carbonyl group here, which bonded to an OH. The carbon down here. One, two, three. And don't ever draw that on an angle because it's incorrect. You'll get mad. And we have another oxygen here, which is then bonded to carbonyl. And that's just CH3 to leave it as that. So, and then again, there are functional groups here, 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 and here. So this way might be a little easier for you to see. This is the kind of notation that I prefer, but we're just going to go right through them. So this one right here, this is like this is an ester because we have our carbonyl, this carbon double bonded to an oxygen, and it's bonded to an oxygen, which is bonded to another carbon on the other side. So that is our ester. And second, we have this right here, which you can also see right here, is a carbon double bonded to an oxygen. It's another carbonyl. And then it is bonded to an oxygen, which is bonded to an H, bonded to an OH. That is our carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. And then lastly, we have this group right here, which is a carbon 1, 2, 3 triple bonded to another carbon, which is alkyne. And then, like I said in other videos, this right here is a ring, obviously, but I personally don't count that as a functional group in and of itself. So that was a nice, easy one. 1, 2, 3 functional groups. Remember, functional groups are important because those are what gives the molecules their biological function. And it's important to know those whether you're going to be a chemist, a doctor, a pharmacist.